visitors here today. We're visiting the plants and animals in their home, so we don't want to disturb them. So what we're going to do now is learn what some of these plants are that are in the scrub. We're going to work in teams of 4, and we're going to walk around, and we've got transects set up. Anybody know what a transect is?
Specific area.
Exactly. They're 3-foot square, 1 meter square transects. So in that area, you are going to identify the plants. We're gonna create a diversity index. Who can tell me what diversity is? Diversity.
Like a population of different plants.
Plants are diverse. And scientists create a diversity index. So you're going to do a little bit of math at the end to calculate a diversity index so that you can find out if we have a lot of plants or not. Why do we want different types of plants? Why do you think we want different types of plants? Right. It's like, and what are the plants, what are they providing out there? Oxygen. And what else? Food for animals, mostly animals. We don't usually forage in the scrub, but the animals do, and they need a lot of different things in order to remain healthy. So you're going to use the book and the identification sheets that are clipped to your clipboard to help you determine what the plants are. The number of different plants is going to be the number, how many you have in your left column. You'll see it 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, how many are there. And then it's going to be divided by the total number of plants, so it's going to be a number less than 1. You're going to have to do some long division, okay? Okay, so you guys are in nest groups, you're in family groups. Did you know scrub jays live in family groups? Scrub jays are unique in the bird world because they have their juveniles live with them for 1 to 2 years. So what do you think those young birds, those teenagers, do to help the family? They get food, and they do one other thing. Protect. They look out for enemies. They act as sentries. They're called sentries. So they're very important. So what do scrub jays eat? Acorns, insects, berries. You guys are good. How do scrub jays get around? They fly, and they also walk on the ground. How do they get around on the ground? They hop. So you're gonna hop, and you're gonna get 1 piece of food at a time. You wanna get enough food so that you will survive the long, hot summer, okay? All right, separate into berries, and critters, and acorns, and also separate your letter cards. Let's talk about the hazards. The first one we're looking for is FS. There are 3 cards that have FS. So FS stands for fire suppression. What happens when we suppress fire? You don't have fire, so then what happens? If you don't have fire, what happens? Scrub grows too tall, we get birds coming in, and then we lose half our food cards. Count the food cards and divide by the number of birds, including your babies. All of you guys are healthy, but some of you are actually increasing the species, so you're being more successful. But you guys lost your babies. Tell me one thing you learned about being a scrub jay. Raise your hand. They don't have an easy life.